Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Firstrade app detailed guide step by step clearly. To install the Firstrade app, begin by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. If you are on an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Firstrade and press enter. Locate the official Firstrade app from the search results. Check the app's icon for the trademark logo to ensure authenticity. Tap on the app to view more details. Click the Install button if you are using an Android. For iPhone users, tap the Get button. The app will now begin downloading and installing on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the Firstrade app on your home screen. Tap on the app icon to open it. If you already have an account, enter your login details. If you are a new user, select the option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to provide your personal information. Review and accept the terms and conditions. Complete any required verification processes. After your account is set up, you can begin exploring the app. Familiarize yourself with the app's features and capabilities. Make sure to set up any necessary security features. Start trading by depositing funds or linking to your existing accounts. Now you are ready to make the most of the Firstrade app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.